Okay, so I close the T body here again, and I also open the T body here.
Recording in progress.
Open the T body here too, so it has to be closed here now. So that is it. So let me save again. There should not be any error again here now. Oh, one is missing, line 59. Have it? No. Where is that one? T body TR left component. Hey. Okay. The T body here now. Do this one also. Okay. Okay, that's it. So T body and T body. Okay. Now in this table again, T body here and the T body here now. So this one should be aligned with this. So that is it. And this one too must be aligned. Okay. This one too must be aligned. Okay, that is it. So, but this one can only give something like a warning now. You get now. But you not have any one, any error on the page. So here again, I save this. Okay. Oh, that means I have to be using for everyone. No. It's just the one in here now. 69. 60. That means you want me to use T body for every TR, but no. That one cannot be done. That one cannot be done. That is it. Unless I'm going to change the approach of this one layout here now. If I do it in this particular way, okay, I want to do in this way again. Let me create a new one like this by using a three column. Three column and put information there now. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay. Actually, I don't like what this one is giving us here now. But I think to make it much more easier, I'll delete the table I use here now. Everything that is inside this TR. So everything in this TR, I'll remove it. So this is where that TR ends. Good. So table is empty now. Can you see? So when I save this, notice that there won't be any of those errors again. Let me delete this and open the terminal again. Good. I can now see what npm run serve to rebuild this. I want to make sure there's no any of those errors to clear all the doubt here now. Can you see now? No error. And when you check our page, you see that you cannot see any information from here again. You get it now. So I will now create a new table for that place now. And here's how the table will look like. I'll specify the border for the table, which is this. You get now. I'll now define the column for the table, 3 column. So TD for first column, and I want 3 column now. So this will be second one. TD now. Yeah. And this is the third one, TD for third column. So on the first column here now, I will call the image img src. Okay, so equal to good. So here now okay, equal to, so I close the tag here now. So right here now, double dot slash what, asset folder, and followed by the what, j what, jewel1.jpg, okay, and follow with what, the width. The width for this is going to be 250 now pixel, while the height for that product is also going to be what, 250 what pixel. Good, that is it now. So here now, I'm going to use this one to specify like h1a3. I should have copied that code though. The product name, I call it queen, okay, Amina, Queen Amina. That's what they call that one, jewelries now. And the next one is the price. Okay, let me now borrow that one from this. This should be for the price now. I copy this code for price. Okay, so returning back to what, to here, I put price in one in h3 to make it bold now. And the last one is going to be button, the button tag. So that is the button one tag here now. So, and I put the button tag here, so to say add, that is it. So I want all these to be at the word center. I can write CSS for that again. I call it what, dot what, send, and here now I open my CSS, I see test what, test align center here now. So I can now say dot send to this particular column. Say class what, class equal sent. Now that to center everything inside this TD. So I save it. Can you see now? That is the first product here now. So since I want the second product and third product, do you get it now? I can now copy this column here. I copy it 3 times. I will replace this second column and the third one column. You see, this one is much more simple and straightforward than the first one. The second go to be what, what was that when I call it what, I don't remember the name I give to those queen. Okay, I say one is Balikis Jewel, Balikis stone. Okay, I call Balikis stone. And third one, I'm going to call it Elizabeth what, Elizabeth okay, Joel again. So that is it. So when I save this one here, let's see, you can see all of them now appear here, but I cannot change their picture as before. This is going to be Joel 3 now, and this should be Joel 2 now. So this one here is showing that one, how this particular one component can be specified here now. You get it now, and that is it. So this particular table for this, I can set it to 1. I can set the border to 0 now for this particular component. This is much easier and straightforward. Do you get it now? So return back here and set the border for this one to what? To 0. So then all the border for that table disappear. Can you see now? That is it. So, and the right side there, you can put any type of information you want to put here. Maybe you want to say anything on this side is a one, it has a bonanza. So we can put another special product there now. I think I have 4 products now. So this table here can be used, but I'm going to be table of 1 column. So I can still use the same table code we have here already. Do you get it now? But this table now, okay, the same table code we have here, I can use it, but I must shift it inside there. While all the information here too have to be shift inside. Okay, good. So the table I'm using now, I copy this code for this table. Okay, I copy. I'll now use it for what? I'll use it for the left what? Left content, left component here. So to design that again. But on the left component, I'll use one table. I'll use one column. But this is going to cover 50% for this product. Okay, I say what? 50% discount for this jewelry before 12 midnight. You want people to buy it. Anybody that paid that product. So, and that should be jewelry what 4 now. That's it. So this time around, I don't need 2 and 3 again. I remove it. You can see that it's only one jewelry we have here. That is it again. And that to be 50% product. So returning back to this, when I see the left side here, okay, and I see what I'm going to get. Can you see now? So everywhere here now is complete here now on this. So the next thing to do now is to remove the wall, all the border around this particular wall page. The border for the CSS for this and the footer. So returning back to what? To here again. I'll now go to the index component because all the other components are called inside the index component. So the border for the left side should be set to what? To 0. We put the border here to see that line to guide us. The border for right side to set to what? 0. While the border for footer is also set to what? To 0. And when I save this again now, here is the complete layout we have now here for our product here now. So now you can see everything we need to do here. So, and that is where we want to complete this. But the next class, we are going to talk about something which we call what? The navigation. Because we are going to talk about how you can navigate from home to jewelry page to about and contact us. So let me return back to where we have the navigation here. I want this thing to be contact header section. It should be contact us since we have about us now. This should be contact us. You get now. So now it has become what? A contact us now. Good. So the next line I'm going to talk about the navigation from one component to the other. You get now. And at the same time, we are going to create the other component we are going to need here. Component for about us, for contact us and partner. And that will be tomorrow. So that's what we are going to do for now. So thank you so much. Mr. Lamide. Yeah. Hello. Okay, sir. I said so tomorrow. Any questions, sir? Okay, no problem. But sir, are you able to download most of those video from the YouTube channel? Oh, but there are still some of them there. Let me know so that before they might want to replace them later. That's why I'm still leaving them there. Okay, I'll upload this. Oh, I know. That's why I leave it there. But at least within 1 month, you'll be able to. I will inform all of you anytime they want to remove it. Okay, so I'll see this one too on YouTube too. No problem. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, good night.